In this video, we'll show you how to create a quiz that is labeled a picture. Okay, so cuestionario, all these steps, you know them already. They are the same. Label the body parts. Okay, in the first step, you create the quiz. Remember to click on habilitar, guardar cambios y regresar al curso. So remember, quizzes are created into two steps. First, you publish it, and then you add questions. So I'm going to add a question here. You open it, editar cuestionario, and then agregar pregunta. And the kind of question you're going to do is arrastrar y soltar sobre una imagen. And I'm going to choose that. And nombre de la pregunta, 1. Texto de la pregunta, label the picture. Label the picture. And I go down to this, selecciono una imagen de fondo, and look, I have this activity that I want to do, and I'm going to choose my recortes tool. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to cut the guy here, and cut it. Alright. I'm not going to save it. I'm going to copy it. No, I need to save it. I think I need to upload it. Anyway, I'm going to save it here in the desktop. Then I go to here, selecciono una imagen de fondo, choose file, capture, and I upload it. Okay, here I have the picture. I can see it here, and so now I have to create the elementos arrastrables. That is the things they are going to arrastrar in the picture. I can have picture over picture, but in this case I want them to drag text. So notice I'm going to shuffle drag items. I can drag an image or texto. I'm going to choose texto. And then I go down to texto, and I'm going to put LED. Alright, then texto, elemento arrastrable 2 is texto, and I'm going to write food. And elemento arrastrable 3, tipo de texto, tipo de elemento texto, and I'm going to put hands. Okay, look, of course you have more options. I'm going to put guarde cambios a continúe editando for you to see it. Okay, well, I don't see much now, but I have the elementos arrastrables. Now that I have created the elementos arrastrables, I have to create dejar caer las zonas. That is the places where these words are going to be dropped. So dejar caer las zonas, here I have to choose, don't pay attention to this, you have to it will show you the elementos arrastrables that we created, leg, foot, and hand. And that's it. When I select them here, they appear here. So once I have all the options here, all I have to do is to drag them, leg, so that the computer knows where they go, foot and hand. And that's it. And I have created it. Look. Okay, wait, look at the vista previa. It will look like this, and the child does this. Wait, I think it isn't working because I haven't guardar cambios. You have to click on guardar cambios before the vista previa, right? Guardar cambios and vista previa. And now I will put it leg, foot, and hand. Alright, dan enviar y terminar. Okay. And it says respuesta correcta. Okay. That's it. I finished. I click guardar cambios and I will see the changes. I can see it in my taller. Alright, here it is. Thank you.